we could tell how the front of the coach was significantly warmer than the rest of it, so we figured we'd take a few steps to mitigate some of the heat coming through the front in these hot Texas summers.
Let's take a look up under here behind the front hood, for lack of a better word. This is just all bare metal with nothing in the way of insulation. So we're gonna see if we can't do some better insulation back up in here using this Duramat material. We'll use some 70% alcohol and cleaning rags. Exacto Knife. Squeegee. Radiator hoses were just resting on this metal bracket here, so I put some plastic wire loom over that. Give those lines a little bit of a cushion. Not in direct contact, rubbing on metal, it's sharp edge.
So the outside temperature today is about 90 degrees, and when I use this infrared heat gun to check the temperature of the metal, it's 81, which means I'm cooling that sheet metal from inside the coach. But after it's insulated, you can see it's showing 89 degrees, closer to the outside temperature. So it did some good covering that front wall. Moving over to the driver's side, you can see it's more sheet metal that's not insulated. And directly underneath the steering wheel of the driver is where that red painted ground line is. Good part of the picture. And I'm just using the spray 70% isopropyl alcohol. Clean all of that up. I did use aluminum tape over all of the seams to make sure that they were nice and covered up. There's not much water spray that gets up underneath there, so it's not a concern with moisture trying to whip its way in.
Hey, thank you for watching today, and if you would, like and subscribe so you can see future content. And be sure and have a blessed day.